This video will be covering the definition of a parabola, how to find the equation of a parabola given the focus and directrix, and how to find the zeros of the parabola. What is a parabola? It's the set of all points equidistant from the focus and directrix. This is helpful when trying to find the equation of a parabola when given the focus and the directrix. Let's say the focus is 4, 6 and the directrix is 0. As we learned before, D1 equals D2. So the distance from here to here is the same. Using this information, we will set the two distance formulas equal to each other. Remember, the distance formula is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. When we do it for this specific problem, we will have the square root of x minus 4 squared plus y minus 6 squared equals the square root of y minus 0 squared. After this, the square roots will cancel out and we get step number 2. Then we will FOIL. After foiling, we get x squared minus 4x plus 16 plus y squared minus 16y plus 36 equals y squared. Remember, the y squareds cancel out. After the y squareds cancel out, you will be left with x squared minus 8x plus 52 equals 12y because we moved the 12y to the other side. Then we're going to solve for y. So for that, we're just going to divide everything by 12. After doing that, we get 1/12 x squared minus 2/3 x plus 13/3 equals y. This is an x, by the way. Yay! We got it! Now we're going to find the zeros of a parabola. Let's say the equation they give us is y equals x squared plus 2x minus 8. We want to set this equation equal to 0 and then complete the square. Remember that to complete the square, your a term has to be 1. In this equation, it is. The first step we're going to do is set it equal to 0, as said before. Then we're going to add 8 to each side. After this, we're going to grab the b term, which in this case is 2x divided by 2, and square it and add that to both sides. Like this. So after doing that, we get 8 plus 1, because 2 over 2 squared is 1, equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. After this, we want to factor x squared plus 2x plus 1. So we get 9 equals x plus 1 squared. Our next step is to square root both sides. So we get 3 equals x plus 1. Since we square rooted the 9, 3 is plus or minus. This leads us to our next step over here. In the case that 3 is positive, we are going to solve for x. So doing 3 equals x plus 1, subtract 1 from each side and get 2 equals x. So that's one answer. We could also have negative 3 equals x plus 1. What you want to do now is the same thing, subtract 1 from each side, and get negative 4 equals x. These are our zeros. Thank you for watching.